are numerous benefits associated with eating local foods. For instance, did you know that research suggests that if you buy or grow your own fruits and vegetables, you're more likely to eat a greater variety of produce? This helps in getting the various nutrients our bodies need to stay healthy. We are fortunate to have so many options for fresh produce available in North Carolina. The flavor combinations of local foods are endless. One of my favorite versatile recipes for local foods is fresh salsa. For this recipe, I typically use diced tomatoes and red onions as the base. I then add additional produce such as jalapeno peppers, cucumbers, bell peppers, or even cantaloupe. This is a great chance to be creative and adjust the recipe based on your preferences. For added flavor, add an herb and acid of your choice. For herbs, your options are endless. Basil, cilantro, or mint all add great flavor. For an acid, add lime juice, lemon juice, or vinegar to taste. Finally, season with salt and pepper. Fresh salsa stores in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. It tastes great as a side, on top of fish or chicken, or added to brown rice with beans. Visit the link below for more recipes that use local produce. To learn about the availability of local produce in your area, check out the Visit NC Farms app search feature and select the produce you are interested in buying.